Welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, we're going to cover how to restrict websites on your iPhone. Whether you want to set restrictions for someone else or set reminders for yourself, I'll walk you through the process. Managing access and usage of certain apps and websites has become quite straightforward in iOS 17 and is expected to remain similar in the upcoming iOS 18. To begin, the key feature we'll be using is the Screen Time section in Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Screen Time. If there are no toggles visible, it means Screen Time is not set up yet. Just follow the on-screen prompts to enable it. This feature is easy to use and very helpful for controlling app and web usage. Once Screen Time is set up, scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Enable it by tapping the toggle at the top, then select Content Restrictions. In this section, you can manage various types of content, including websites. Tap on Web Content, where you'll find options to limit adult websites automatically or to add specific websites to an allowed or blocked list. If you want to block specific websites, choose Limit Adult Websites. Here you can add the URLs of websites that should never be allowed. Simply type in the URLs of the websites you want to block, and they will be restricted from access through Safari and other web browsers on your iPhone. For those websites you always want to allow, regardless of other restrictions, you can add them to the Always Allow section. This is useful for ensuring that educational or necessary sites are always accessible. Another method to manage web access is through the Allowed Apps section. By navigating here, you can manage various apps, including Safari. Disabling Safari will make its icon disappear, effectively restricting its use. This is a more drastic measure if you want to prevent web browsing entirely. Alternatively, if you want to limit the amount of time spent on web browsing rather than blocking specific sites, you can use the App Limits section. Enable the toggle at the top, then tap Add Limit. You can choose to limit an entire category of apps, such as all games or web browsers, by selecting the relevant category. For this example, search for Safari. Set a daily time limit, which can be as short as a few minutes or as long as 2 hours or more, based on your preference. This sets the amount of time the app can be used each day. When the limit is reached, a notification screen will appear, informing you that the time is up, and a passcode will be needed to bypass it. These tools provide a robust way to manage and control web access on your iPhone, ensuring that browsing is safe and within the boundaries you set. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this information helpful, please consider subscribing to Foxtecc and giving this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content like this. Peace.